This is the 2023 Forest River DX3 DXC37TS. First, we'll give you a tour of the outside, then the inside. I'll give you my pet peeve, Sherry's favorite feature, and then a build quality rating. Let's go. The DX3 has a Detroit diesel 7.7 liter engine with 375 horsepower and 1,050 foot-pounds of torque. And it's on a Freightliner chassis. It rides on 22.5-inch tires and aluminum wheels. It has a 100-gallon fuel capacity, chrome truck mirrors, side view cameras, and keyless entry. Under the slide, we have these chrome handles in the first bay, deep storage, pass-through.
And 110 outlet, John.
Oh, that is convenient. And these storage bays are hard, durable plastic linings. Above the storage bay in the slide, television with a sound bar. Here we have your AquaHot 400D for constant hot water. More deep storage. And finally, a little bit more pass-through. And from here, you can see the GAWR AWNING. As we move around back, you have your rear view camera and you have your hitch. This vehicle is rated to tow 20,000 pounds. This rear storage bay is the other side of your pass-through. See if we can squeeze through here. And this is your electrical bay with a power cord reel. This is your wet bay. You actually have a water hose reel. That is a nice feature. We have your black and gray dumps and a macerator. We have your water filter. You have your outdoor shower, your black tank flush. And you have your water pump switch and a light here in this bay.
Okay, John, before you close the door, let me go through. Don't close it on me.
Yes, we are at the show, and these are parked very close together. Here, you have your Onan 8000 generator for all your power needs. And let's see if I can get under here without hitting my head.
Did you skip a bay?
No. Oh, hold on. Back up. Oh, yeah. Another storage bay. A little pass-through at the top. Ow.
John, I think we need to do more yoga.
We do, because
it'll make this easier.
I have to stretch under these slides all the time.
Oh, Battleborn batteries, lithium batteries.
Yes, this comes with lithium. And you also have your engine batteries there as well. And what do we have here? This is where your inverter and your surge guard reside. And access on the driver's side to your DEF. Well, the outside is really nice. Take a good look at the paint.
Oh, that's a good point.
I like that.
This is gorgeous, gorgeous paint job,
Isn't
John.
this nice?
I really like that. Okay, John, let me show you what the inside looks like. If you could step to the right here.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Let me just do a quick view of what it looks like when you walk in. Really nice. Okay, John, it is all you now.
Oh, me? They have this curtain, and I'm not sure how it ties up, so I just tossed it up here on the bed so I can get into the cockpit. This is a Freightliner chassis, so it's set up just like a truck would be. You push button controls here for your shifters, your climate control. You have your screen for your CarPlay and your cameras.
John, how's that seat though? Because I'm sitting in mine. It's not the most comfortable. It's like I'm sitting in a truck.
It is. It feels like a truck seat. It's a little bit firm.
Okay.
So let's move on to the back. Above the driver's compartment, we have a sleeping area with 2 windows, actually, one at each end, and it has power outlets up there as well. Here we have the touchscreen control panel, and you also have your wine guard, you have your TV attachments here. Next to the entrance, we have this convenient closet.
I like when you have a closet when you come in. You know what would be really nice, John, if that had coat hooks in it?
That would be a nice feature to add to that. Above the door, we have a small shelf and access to your television equipment. Behind me, we have the living area. Now, you know I have to try this.
That looks like a very comfortable recliner, is it?
Now, these are comfortable.
Does that have heat and massage as well?
Yes, you might want to complete the tour without me.
Oh, thanks a lot, John.
All right, I know I have to get back to work. And look, this is pretty deep. You could actually fit everything in there. You have a 110 outlet and 2 USBs in there. Above my head, 2 storage cabinets that are pass-through, and they're deep. Opposite the recliners, we have this television and fireplace area. You have your televator, and you have a sound bar, your fireplace, storage on either side, and another deep cabinet with an adjustable shelf. This is a lot of counter space. I'm not sure how you want to use it. If you want to use it for food prep with the televator being here, put down in the comments below how you feel about this large shelf being here and how you would use it. If you're enjoying our content, please subscribe and leave a like and tell us what you like and dislike about this unit. I'm going to turn it over to Sherry for the kitchen.
Thank you, John. Now let's head on over to that kitchen. John, I gotta say, I really like this lighting. It just adds something special to this unit. And I'm seeing this more at the Florida RV show. So the first thing I notice about this kitchen is that we have this really cool extension. Now this is magnetic, comes right up here and gives you some additional counter space. I like the color of the faucets here. It's a really deep farmhouse sink. And if I can get this in right, it comes with this nice nozzle. I like this type of faucet because you can just maneuver it all over the place. Not that I would be spraying everywhere, but it's kind of cool. Then we have your induction cooktop, your microwave, and this actually comes with a lock. I think this is the first time I've seen a microwave with a lock. This is convection. We have some cabinets right over here for storage. Now, it doesn't look like there are any shelves in here. Coming down, we have some more storage. Now, this is nice and deep. Over here, we have 3 drawers. Now, John, there's something that I've noticed about these drawers.
What's that?
These drawers are actually finished drawers, which I haven't seen a lot of. And in addition to that, they're soft close. That's nice. And then over here, we have another cabinet. Now, this is not very deep, but I can definitely see putting spices and things like that. This is really convenient to the cooktop. So if I need to reach over and I need to grab a spice, very easy for me to do that while I'm cooking. And then we have this space here. I guess you could use this for appliances but maybe a crock pot or an Instapot or, I don't know, something like that. I don't know. Up here we have some more storage. Ooh, that was loud. And then coming over to the side, a little bit more here. Okay, so now here's our refrigerator. It's kind of off to the side. We'll get back to the booth there. But it opens this way. This is a nice size fridge for a unit this size. But something that's a little bit different about this is that the locks for this fridge are mounted here on the side. Okay, let's go check out this dinette booth. Now this is your typical RV dinette booth that lowers down and will make a bed, and you use these cushions. You have 2 cup holders here. I love the fact that this has so many windows. We have 1 window here, 2 going across here, and then another one behind me, so it really brightens up the space. Okay, I think I have covered the kitchen. Oh, wait, John says I'm missing something. What am I missing?
On the other side of the fridge.
Which is this cabinet right here. So this is your pantry. Now, I really like the way they did these drawers because, once again, they finished them. And you don't see, I haven't seen a lot of that. I like that. Everybody should finish these. Okay, John, I'm done with the kitchen and the dining area. Why don't you take over the bathroom?
This is a split bath in this unit. To my left, we have the sink with the accent lighting, a medicine cabinet. Underneath the sink, storage, and 3 drawers. On this half, we have the shower. Do you like the way this one looks?
I do.
All right, let's see how roomy this is. This is pretty good. This is a pretty good sized shower. Whoops. Too hard on those doors. And the toilet space?
Comfortable?
Yes, this is much better than some. Now, above the toilet, more storage. Over here, louvered doors.
We know what louvered doors mean.
Yes, and you have a washer and a dryer.
That is nice.
That is very nice. I like when you have both. Now we move into the bedroom. I see the nightstands are very high, but they have wireless chargers on them and 110 outlets as well. Above the bed, we have a deep pass-through cabinet and 2 reading lights. Across from the bed, a large wardrobe. That looks like cedar lining. Underneath there, two drawers. Underneath your television with a sound bar, 2 more large drawers.
Now, John, is there anything behind that TV?
I'm sure there is. Let me see. It opens on the opposite side. You'll have to come this way. And it has a safe. Down below this wardrobe, you also have your circuit breakers. Now it's time for my pet peeve and Sherry's favorite feature and a build quality rating. Come on over here, Sherry.
Well, John, thank you for such a great tour. What is your pet peeve?
My pet peeve is that front driver's area. If I'm going to be in that seat all day, I want to be much more comfortable than that.
It wasn't comfortable at all.
Not to me.
It really was like riding in a truck.
It was.
Yeah. My favorite feature, that's a tough one, John. I really like how bright it is in here. So I would say it would have to be the cabinetry, the color, and the fact that the drawers are finished.
They are finished, yes. I like the accent lighting.
The accent lighting is nice.
There's a lot of accent lighting in here.
So we're going to go take a look at this unit and we'll be right back with the build quality. Well, we've gone through this unit with a fine-tooth comb and we were trying to find something. I found 1 screw on the floor and I also not too sure about the way they run the that wiring behind between where the slide comes in and where that large counter space is, which, by the way, we found out that counter space, that big large one, actually has a 110 outlet, so I could definitely see putting appliances there. So, John,
it's going to be at least a 9.
It's got to be a 10 because we didn't find anything.
That's true. We didn't find anything.
Okay, wait. Maybe a 9.5 because I don't like that wiring exposed.
I know you don't like the exposed wires.
Okay, then. So this is a 9.5?
Yes.
We're done with this one. On to the next one and watch some more RV reviews right there.
Always there.